Hello and welcome to English Daily USA. Today, we are starting something very powerful, a 30-day English speaking challenge. Many learners feel stuck. They want to speak, but they don't know how to stay consistent. This challenge will give you a plan. Every day, just a few minutes of focused practice. By the end of 30 days, your English will feel smoother, faster, and more natural. Let's begin together. Section 1. Why a 30-day challenge works. When you study one day, then stop for 3 days, your progress is slow. Your brain forgets. Your mouth forgets. But when you practice daily, even for a short time, your progress is fast. Small steps every day build a strong habit. This is why a 30-day challenge works. Think of it like exercise. If you go to the gym once a month, your muscles stay weak. But if you go every day, even for a short time, your body changes. Your English muscles also need daily training. Practice with me now. I practice English every day. Repeat after me. Small steps make big progress. Repeat after me. I can stay consistent for 30 days. Repeat after me. Very good. Keep going. You are already beginning your challenge. Mini recap. Daily practice creates fast growth. A 30-day challenge builds habit, memory, and confidence.
Section 2. How to practice each day. You don't need hours of study. You only need a clear plan. In this challenge, each day you will do 3 things. First, listen to English. Second, speak English out loud. Third, repeat and shadow sentences. These 3 steps are simple but very powerful. Listening trains your ears. Speaking trains your mouth. Shadowing connects the two. Together, they make you sound more fluent and confident. Practice with me now. I listen to English every day. Repeat after me. I speak English out loud. Repeat after me. I shadow sentences to improve fluency. Repeat after me. That's excellent. Keep going. Each day of this challenge, you can follow the same steps. You can listen to my lessons, repeat the words, and shadow my sentences. You will notice your mouth moving more easily. You will notice your confidence growing. Mini recap. Each day, you follow 3 steps. Listen, speak, shadow. These simple steps will transform your English over 30 days. Section 3. Daily routine example. Let's make your practice simple. Imagine your routine each day looks like this. First, you listen for 5 minutes. It can be my lesson, or a short story, or even English news. Second, you speak aloud for 5 minutes. Talk about your day, your plans, or what you see around you. Third, you shadow for 5 minutes. Repeat after me, or after another speaker, word by word. This routine is only 15 minutes, but if you do it every day for 30 days, your fluency will grow stronger and stronger. Practice with me now. 15 minutes is enough. Repeat after me. I follow my daily routine. Repeat after me. I can do this challenge. Repeat after me. That's very good. Keep going. You don't need perfection. You only need consistency. Even when you are tired, even when you are busy, do your 15 minutes. Every day adds up. Mini recap. A short, clear routine makes practice easy. 15 minutes of listening, speaking, and shadowing each day builds real fluency.
Section 4. Stay motivated through 30 days. In the beginning, you feel excited.
After a few days, maybe you feel tired. This is normal. The secret is to stay motivated. How? First, remind yourself why you are learning English. Maybe for your career, maybe for travel, maybe for confidence in daily life. Keep your reason in your heart. Second, celebrate small wins. When you finish one day of practice, say to yourself, "Good job." When you complete 1 week, reward yourself with something small. These rewards keep your energy high. Third, don't do this alone. Comment below and tell me how many days you have completed. Share your progress. When you share, you feel supported. Practice with me now. I know my reason for learning English. Repeat after me. I celebrate my small wins. Repeat after me. I share my progress with others. Repeat after me. Excellent. Keep going. Staying motivated is the key to finishing all 30 days. You are not alone. I am here with you, and many learners are walking this journey too. Mini recap. Motivation comes from remembering your reason, celebrating wins, and sharing your progress. These steps keep you strong through all 30 days.
Section 5. Speak with confidence during the challenge. Many learners practice quietly. They read, they listen, but they do not speak out loud. In this challenge, you must speak out loud every day. Confidence grows only when you use your voice. When you speak, don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry if your accent is different. Speak clearly. Speak proudly. Even if it's only a few sentences, say them with strength. Practice with me now. I speak English out loud every day. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. My voice grows stronger each day. Repeat after me. That's very good. Keep going. Each time you speak, you train your muscles. Your tongue, your mouth, your mind all become stronger. By the end of 30 days, your voice will feel natural and confident. Mini recap. Speaking out loud builds confidence. Use your voice every day, even for a few minutes. Confidence grows with practice, not silence. Section 6. Your transformation after 30 days. Imagine yourself on day 1 of this challenge. You feel nervous. You wonder if you can do it. Your words are slow. Your sentences are short. Now imagine yourself on day 30. You have practiced every day. Your mouth feels relaxed. Your sentences come faster. You speak with more confidence. This is the power of daily action. Step by step, day by day, you are building a new version of yourself, a more confident English speaker. And this transformation is real if you stay with the challenge. Practice with me now. I am growing every day. Repeat after me. My English is stronger than before. Repeat after me. I will finish this 30-day challenge. Repeat after me. That's excellent. Keep going. Remember, you don't need perfection. You only need consistency. And you have shown that today. You are making progress. I'm proud of you. Stay with me tomorrow, and let's continue this challenge together.